I do believe that. I've had this question, I think, quite a few times. Yes, there is, but I think it has more to do with society than a particular field. I think it has more to do with society. It has more to do with what kind of films you as an audience watch as well. If you as an audience choose to make Wonder Woman the most highest grossing film in the world, you will make her pay parity. There will be no pay parity. You understand what I'm saying? So I think that that's very important, that you have to understand that it has to be a societal change. It cannot be, you can't blame a particular field on it and say that this is, ये मतलब ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की प्रॉब्लम है, या ये इसकी प्रॉब्लम है, या ये इसकी प्रॉब्लम है, ये किसी और की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये हमारी प्रॉब्लम है। और हम सबको जो है मिलके आवाज़ भी उठानी पड़ेगी, लेकिन मुझे लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा हमको खुद में और हमारे जितने भी लोग हैं, हमारे बच्चे हैं, जैसे नीना जी ने कहा है, उनको भी बदलाव दिखाना है। जैसे मेरे बेटे ने मुझे पूछा तो मामा यू आर नॉट एट होम टुडे, सो आई सेड नो बेबी, आई एम गोइंग फॉर वर्क. So he's like, he turns around and he's like, but I want you to stay at home. It's my Saturday. It's my Saturday. It's my Saturday. I said, yeah, baby, but I have to go for work, and work is work. काम भगवान होता है, और आपको भी स्कूल जाना है, मुझे भी काम पे जाना है. It's the same thing. अगर मैं ये अपने बेटे को सिखा सकती हूँ, तो मेरा बेटा बड़ा होके जब उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड आएगी या उसकी बीवी आएगी, तो उसको भी समझ में आएगा कि दिस इज अ नॉर्मल पैटर्न. So I am changing the future today by changing my son's thinking. So I think that, like I said, ये सबकी responsibility है, हम सबको सीखना है. अगर हमको आत्मसम्मान चाहिए, तो हमको आत्मसम्मान सीखना भी पड़ेगा और हमको आत्मसम्मान सिखाना भी पड़ेगा.
Shruti.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. So, as Kajol ma'am said, I don't think it was like a big decision of like, should I be doing this? It was quite obvious that I wanted to be a part of something so powerful and poignant. It's something that as a woman, I don't even think you have to be a woman alone. It's just something that is so reflective of society's numbness to certain issues. And I think that has really come across. And like she said, there's this perception that women don't stand up for each other, and most often not. I think the sisterhood isn't as strong as it should be. And this film kind of goes through that journey, which is what I really, really liked. So thank you, Priyanka, for such a lovely idea, subject, concept, and having us in it. Electric Apples, my two favorites. Ryan and Niranjan, I also have to say, of all the movies I've done, I was the most pampered on this. We had a special lounge with the best food and snacks, which was amazing. And we all got to know each other because it was a very short filming period. And it's really been an honor for me to get to know these incredible women and be a part of this really powerful story. So I remember after this whole Me Too thing happened, I was taking a flight to London. And there was someone sitting in front of me with his laptop open, reading a manual on physical proximity and how to behave in the workspace. And I thought to myself that this has really raised, like she said, the awareness that somebody is questioning and you are answerable. And I think that applies to human behavior in general. And in this context, it's not like, ha, keh denge or chalta hai or kuch. Somebody was raising and that you might get into trouble was like a very human kind of trigger that was working. And I think it was very important for it to happen. And quite honestly, I didn't think that India would take it to that level so big, and it made me very proud, actually, that people had the courage to come out.
On what Devi actually meant to y'all more than us. For me, the film was a very simple matter to do. I mean, I think that lots of people always ask me that, oh, आपने ये picture क्यों की? इसमें क्या अच्छा था? और मेरा जवाब हमेशा रहा है कि मुझे स्क्रिप्ट बहुत अच्छी लगी है, या मुझे आई लाइक्ड दिस, इसका जो किरदार था मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, या जो भी है. लेकिन देवी के स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में जब मैं कहूँगी तो मैं कहूँगी हाँ, स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी थी, लेकिन आई थिंक इसका जो मैसेज है और ये जो कहना चाहता है, ये पिक्चर जो कहना चाहता है, आई थिंक दैट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट than anything else. I think सबसे ज़्यादा, और मैं ये सवाल भी आपके लिए आंसर कर देती हूँ कि 9 औरतें थी और किसी ने किसी के साथ झगड़ा किया over hair and makeup, and I want to tell you no. There were no fights at all, and I think that's what Devi is about, is that we all need to somewhere down the line stand up and support each other and not try to pull each other down or, you know, not give the other person a hand up when they need. मुझे लगता है कि मैं ये जवाब दूंगी क्योंकि इस पे मैंने काफ़ी कुछ सोचा भी है मुझे लगता है सम्मान जो होता है वो खुद में होता है और अगर आप सम्मान चाहिए आपको तो खुद को जैसे कहते हैं आत्मसम्मान होना चाहिए आप में भी अगर आप में आत्मसम्मान है अगर आप जिस तरीके से दुनिया को देखोगे दुनिया आपको उसी तरीके से देखेगी और जिस तरह से आप बोल रहे हैं कि कि अभी तक किसी को नहीं मिला ऐसा मुझे नहीं लगता है आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स द केस टुडे आई थिंक काफ़ी सारे बहुत ही इवॉल्व्ड लोग हैं जिन्होंने अपने बेटों को बड़ा किया है अपनी माँ को अपनी बहन को बहुत बहुत इज्जत दे के तो बहुत सारे अच्छे लोग भी हैं दुनिया में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है और हमारी दुनिया उस तरफ ज़रूर जा रही है हाँ थोड़ी सी धीरे है पटरी पे ट्रेन लेकिन मुझे लगता है हम डेफिनेटली उस तरफ जा रहे हैं एंड आई विल से दिस अगेन इन इंग्लिश इन हिंदी इन मराठी विच एवर लैंग्वेज यू वांट मी टू से इट इन बट आई थिंक दैट women's empowerment has to start with women. Nobody can do this for you.
वैसे ही लोग बोलते बहुत सीरियस फिल्म है बहुत ये सब्जेक्ट में बट जब अपने कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से देखने को मिलती है तो ज़्यादा लोग देखते हैं सो दैट वाज आल्सो वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई दिस फिल्म वाज मेड फॉर द वेस्ट
So I think it's just there. It's that convenience, it's that reach that you get with it that is probably not possible if you want to take it to only a few festivals.